I have such a busy week this week, so I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. First things first, I have about 20 minutes. We're going to go ice skating this evening and bowling, so I'm very excited. So you guys are going to come with me. I'm all ready now, and this is my outfit. I'm going to put a black jacket on, but we're going to bowling first. Kai's going, off he goes. Oh my god! I've learned a new way of doing it and I get so many more. Now I do it like that. I'm going to show you guys on my next go. But I've only got one more go left. Step by step, guys. Get it like this. Oh. Guys, I'm playing this game. I think I've got one more left. Me and Kai doing the basketball one. Need to put my money in. Let's go. We're now at the ice skating. It's like a 1 minute drive. We got some chips. Stay. You gave it away. I just fell over, guys. First time falling over ice skating in so long. Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday. Yeah, it's Thursday today, and today I am baking all day. I went and got the last bits for shopping that I need for baking. I picked up some hazelnut cream, which is going to go inside some brownie Yule logs that I've just put in the oven. So the plan today is to get as much done as I can, and then later on I'm so excited because all my friends are coming over, all the girls, and we're doing like a bring a board night sort of night. So everyone's going to bring their own boards, and then we all have to make one drink. And we've done like colours. So my colour is orange, which is probably one of the worst colours you can get. But I picked up a few bits yesterday. Carrots and some chocolate orange and a few other bits to go on my board. So I'll be showing you guys that later with everyone here, and I'm so excited for them to come over. But for now I have lots of baking to get on with, so I'm going to take you guys through a few bits that I do. This is everything that I'm going to be making. Can you guys guess what I'm doing from this? Okay, now we're doing the cookies. For now I need to cut up all of this chocolate. It's the worst part ever. I hate doing it. Cookie dough is done. This is the first one, and I'm just rolling them out into 100-gram balls. The brownie has just come out. This is what it's looking like. Looks very good. I'm now making the carrot cake for later, and I'm using my new cheese grater that I bought to grate up the carrots. It's actually really good, to be honest. Is the carrot cake. Look how good this looks. The brownies are all done and ready to go in, so let's put them in. Little update for everyone. It is 2 o'clock, and since I last filmed, the brownies are now out of the oven. Both the chocolate chip cookies and the Biscoff cookies are in the fridge, and I'm literally just chopping up the chocolate for the double chocolate cookies. I need to go to help my friend for an hour, and then I'll be back to do some more. Okay guys, I'm now updating you. I went and sorted out what I needed to for my friend, and then that took me 2 hours overall. So I came back, I quickly decorated the carrot cake. Rosie's here now, and what else did we do? I did the cake pops. Rosie's helped me clean up my room because it was a mess. And now I'm just getting ready. It is actually 7 o'clock when everyone's supposed to be here, but no one ever turns up on time, do they? Except from Rosie, because she wanted to show me the Yorkshire pudding she made and the pigs in blankets.
They're really good, guys.
I'm very excited to try. But for now, I'm just quickly getting ready. and then I'll show you my board. I'm ready. Everyone's literally just starting to turn up, so I need to go downstairs, but I will show you guys the setup in a little bit. Got some drinks. Bonnie made these with candy floss on top.
I actually can't laugh, otherwise it's going to fall.
Good morning everyone, you are joining me in my cupboard. So it is 9 o'clock, all my friends have literally just left and I actually started baking at 8:20. I've just baked another cake because there wasn't enough cake pops, there was only 15 and I kind of wanted to make 30. I'm just getting started on the brownie Yule log, so I had to whiz it up, the brownie, to make it this consistency and then flatten it out into here. I'm going to do hazelnut one. I have a lot to do today and I only have until 5 o'clock. 8 hours. Let's go. This is what we're working with now. I'm going to show you guys how I roll it up. Need to make sure it's very tight. Just literally pull the cling film. Make sure to keep it tight. And pull it again. I'm just doing the brownie Yule log. It's nearly done. Mini cookies are going into the oven and this is what the brownie Yule logs look like. They look so good. Guys, look at what we have just done. The cutest little cookie cups with these snowmen. Got a few marshmallows here. 5 mini cookies go in. Little snowman on top. Look how cute. So it is now the next day and me and Kai are on our way to Kai's football. We're going to watch Kai play football today and then after that we are going to be driving home. It's like an hour back home and we are going to be going out to London tonight. Guys, I've come to the toilet. I literally just got in here. I've been sitting in the car. It was freezing in the car and it's freezing outside. Anyway, outfit of the day, my white Fox navy and mine. Green New Balance shoes, which also I got these for my birthday from Kai and I completely forgot to show you them to you in what I got for my birthday, but wearing them and then my Ralph Lauren coat, which is like my white coat I like to call it, but we've got about 15 minutes now till kick off, so I'm gonna go outside and sit down. And apparently this team is a lot better than them, but we'll see. His mum's coming as well and I think his dad, so I'll be sitting with them, so I won't be able to film a lot. Let's go and brave the cold. Update, it's freezing. Oh, it's so cold. I've got my gloves in here. Anyone see them? Right there. I got my hot chocolate. The guy offered me a Bailey's hot chocolate, but it's only 3 o'clock. Not gonna have a drink yet. Too early. The game has just finished. It actually ended 1-1 and Kai played really, really well, like so good. So proud of him, but he is going to be coming out soon and we're going to head straight off back to ours and I'm going to get ready in the car. We have tractors behind us. We're going home now. We'll be home in about 45 minutes and we've now got a bit...
Stop! I might as well pick as well.
We've now got a bit more time than we had before to get ready. Wow! I've never seen a tractor show before. Or is it truck show?
No.
There's trucks there.
Oh, I think it's a bit of everything.
Maybe it's a bit of both.
That looks amazing, mate.
Kai stopped off to get some food. This is what he got. Kit Kat chunky peanut butter, normal Kit Kat and Maltesers.
To restore my sugars after a game.
So we literally was in the house for about half an hour. I decided to get changed when we was home. We are on our way up to London. We're going to this restaurant called Ave Mario. I don't know how you say it. It's pizza, Brooks pasta, pizza, and I'm waiting for mine. It's on your truffle pasta pizza. It looks so good. I'm going to try it now.